Sure, your business already maps the entire customer lifecycle in Vtiger, from engagement and lead flow to follow-ups, sales, and even support. But have you considered the time lost in between? First, switching back and forth to your phone, then manually updating call details and records, and finally logging everything back into Vtiger again and again. Well, Vtiger integration in KrispCall is here to clear those inefficiencies, bringing direct calling and sending SMS functionality within CRM, and syncing contacts, call log details, notes, SMS, and even recordings and voicemails. Here's how you can set it up in just minutes. Sign up or log in to your KrispCall account, go to Settings, then to Integration, search for Vtiger, and click Connect. A pop-up will ask for your Vtiger details. Now go to your Vtiger dashboard, click on your profile, then go to My Preferences, copy the domain URL, username, access key, and paste it in KrispCall. Next, click on Connect Now, and it's done. Your integration is completed successfully. After setup, customize your integration settings to enable, disable, and add sync preferences. In general settings, configure the contacts and notes data you prefer to sync. Then on workflow settings, select the call, SMS, and voicemail activities to sync as needed. Next, in connected numbers, add one or more numbers for calls and SMS to be used in integration. Once ready, start by creating contacts in KrispCall. Either create it one by one or import using a CSV and head over to your Vtiger account. They sync directly without the risk of duplication. Now, without any hassle, prepare to dial any leads at any stage of the customer journey with just a few clicks. But first, install the KrispCall Dialer extension on your browser. Then, beside any contact's number, click on the KrispCall icon and select the call option to open the dialer. Then, with the customer's history on the same page, keep building the relationship further. Add notes directly in the dialer during calls. Sync it directly to the contact's activity in SMS, call logs, and recordings in the agenda. Sending SMS to customers also becomes possible within Vtiger. On clicking the KrispCall icon, simply choose the SMS option. Then on the dialer, type your message and send it, making customer interactions up to date on their present journey. Even missed calls don't get the chance to push a gap. The voicemail directly syncs in the logs as links, making follow-ups contextual and immediate. Keep up with your customers' activity with their conversations side by side. With Vtiger integration in KrispCall, experience faster deals, better support, and lasting relationships. Visit KrispCall.com and begin your integration journey today.